Hey, welcome to Foster Comedy. I promised you guys random weirdness, and I do deliver. Today marks day one of the Passion Project. Let's make a movie. For the entire month of October, me and an assembly of friends will be making a movie. We'll be documenting as much of the process as possible without going completely insane. I'll be posting weekly updates every Tuesday as well as daily Instagram stories, so look out for that at Foster Comedy. The reason why I decided to do this project: to inspire each other to take big chances and big risks. If you've ever found yourself or someone you love making excuses not to do something with their life that they've dreamt of doing, I think you can understand how crushing it can feel to know that you're the only one standing in your own way and feel like you can't see a way around yourself. So in the words of Zay Frank, I don't know why I'm looking up, he's not dead. I'm doing this to shake off and burn up all of the tutus that we wear. Too old, too poor, too fat, too ugly, too late, too dumb, and too scared. So I hope you all hang in there with me in this, because it's all new to me. I'm very terrified. I have no idea what I'm doing. I just know that I want to make something fun, funny, and meaningful with the people I love. I know it might not be perfect, but it will be something. Something out there in the world that exists because we put it there. I appreciate all of you so much for taking the time out to watch this video. And if you want to be a part of this project in any way, please reach out to me. If you can't be involved physically but still want to contribute, I will be setting up a Patreon, but this is in no way a shakedown for all of your gems and rubies, because I would honestly appreciate your love, support, and encouragement so much more than that. I want people to know that we should use what we have, start where we are, and most importantly, before we ever feel ready. With all that being said, hope you guys are ready to spark some madness.